first rumored by Kyle Bradshaw himself. Expected to hit the States early 2022. It's the Heidenau K60 Ranger. Oh yeah. Coming from the makers of the longest lasting adventure tire. Oh, manufactured perfectly to spec. Let's take a look at those sidewalls. Oh, now those are stiff. Let's pop these tires on the Rabaconda.
That is Ranger boy. Big short. Number up. Well, let's see if we can do this. Oh yeah. No way to keep it. throw this other one back on there. Oh, it's quite a bit heavier than the Heidenau, that's for sure. Tilt this sucker up.
Just get on there.
Looks like she's on there. Alright, now we'll balance it. And on my bike it's push it to 44 pounds. We're good to go. Oh, we've got a little mud guard here. Put that on too.
Is the Heidenau K60 Ranger. Worthy of standing side by side with the legendary K60 Scout. Hit that notification bell so you'll see the next video when we take this out into the Nevada desert. The K60 Ranger is designed and developed to be the off-road cousin in the K60 family. This is not a Scout with different tread. Heidenau started from scratch with an entirely new carcass and compound to maximize off-road performance. The K60 Ranger's new tread design has dirt and big bikes in mind. while the open block design should keep the tread from loading up, and the compound and carcass should keep the ride stable on the street. I don't know about you, but I'm excited to get this tire out there and test its limits. From the northern Nevada desert all the way to the mountain passes of Colorado at the first annual Moto Giant Camp Crash Spaztec Celebration Colorado ADV Rally. If you want to see a quality review of the K60 Ranger, go check out Kyle Bradshaw's channel, as he is the legendary ADV Tire Man. Thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing to the Adventure Glide channel, ADV Nevada.